Hi, and welcome to Tulip 1210 Demo Part 2. Instead of a big video with many unrelated features, we dedicate a video to each feature of the release. This video will focus on keyboard shortcuts. Let's start by Taskboard. So as usual, shortcuts are accessible by typing ? Let's play with them. First, you can directly jump to the first swim lane with Ctrl J. Move around with arrows, and go inside the swim lane with Enter. You can edit the title with E, and you can edit the remaining effort with R. Then move between columns with the arrow, create a new task, and finally you can move cards between columns with Shift plus arrows. That's all for Taskboard. Let's move to test management. There are shortcuts for the navigation and the test execution, so we need to go on a test campaign. So first type L to select a test and use arrows to navigate up and down. You select a test with Enter and type M plus P to mark it passed. With R, you focus on the remaining tests, and you can mark as blocked with M plus P, and you can also create a new bug with T plus P. So write a title, and then you navigate with Tab as usual in the forms. You reach the Save button, Enter, and now the bug is created. That's all for shortcuts. Thanks for watching. Don't forget the other parts of the release.